What is reactive maintenance? Reactive maintenance, also called emergency or breakdown maintenance, is unplanned and involves restoring equipment when it fails by replacing or repairing faulty parts. The cost of reactive maintenance is high due to the unplanned production downtime, damaged machinery, overtime, and call-out fees caused by the uncertain timing and nature of failures. There is room for reactive maintenance in your broader maintenance strategy, but ideally it shouldn't catch you unawares. You should reserve reactive maintenance for components that are inexpensive, easy to replace, or whose failure does not cause collateral damage in the system. The one exception here are assets that are remote and therefore costly to perform regular preventive maintenance, like satellites, for instance.